up, huggies, and welcome back to my channel. I know y'all saw this beautiful hairstyle that I did a few days ago. It's looking kind of rough right now. I am about to be teaching a natural hair care, doing like a little natural hair care workshop. So I figure I need my hair looking really good, you know. I need my hair looking cute. You can't be teaching about natural hair if your hair looking kind of frizzy. So I am going to be not redoing this same exact style, but I'm going to be doing a different natural hairstyle. It's still going to be like a pin and tuck, but this one is a little too frizzy. Needs to look a little better. So I'm going to show you guys how I do another cute natural hairstyle. I'm going to show you guys how I do a cute, quick natural hairstyle because I need to go. So this has to be really quick. What I'm going to do is spray some water in my hair because my hair feeling kind of dry, like it needs some type of moisture. And then I'm going to apply my curl and style milk on my edges. Well, yeah, on my edges and a little bit on the top. And then I am going to brush it back up like so. And I'm going to take my string, put it around like so. Can you see? I am going to take 4 pieces of hair. And then I'm going to twist it. Then I'm going to crisscross and in the back. And in the back. Really quick, really easy, another really elegant natural hairstyle also. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and make sure to click that bell on the right side of the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my videos. I have a lot of videos coming, a lot of great content, so stay tuned. Bye.